troubling new information tonight about hundreds of migrant children who were separated from their parents at the southern border by the Trump administration. More than 2 years after a federal judge ordered families to be reunited, hundreds of children and parents are unaccounted for. Here's
the zero tolerance policy is intended to deter people from breaking the law, adults.
In their stay in this facility, are they separated from their children?
Yes, when they go to court, yes.
There are 20 kids per tent. There's 2 adults in the room.
We were there earlier this year when 17-year-old Selvin Jr. reunited with his father more than a year and a half after they were separated at the border. They're among the lucky ones.
Many of them are under 5 years old, and an enormous percentage are under 10 years old. So some of the children may have spent half their lives at this point separated from their families.
The ACLU says it's also been unable to find 362 of the children who are likely living either with relatives or in foster care. Today, the Trump administration blamed parents who want their children to stay in the U.S.